Zookeeper is an open-source Apache project that provides a centralized infrastructure and services that enable synchronization across a cluster. Zookeeper maintains common objects that are needed in large clustered environments. Examples of these include configuration information, hierarchical namespaces, synchronization information, and so on. Applications can leverage these services to coordinate distributed processing across large clusters. Imagine a Hadoop cluster spanning 500 or more servers. If you've ever managed a database cluster with just 10 servers, you know you need centralized management of the entire cluster in terms of naming services, group services, synchronization services, configuration management, and more. Many open source projects that leverage Hadoop clusters require these types of cross-cluster services. Having them available in Zookeeper means that each of these projects can embed Zookeeper without having to build synchronization services from scratch. So, how does this work? Zookeeper provides an infrastructure for cross-node synchronization and can be used by applications to ensure that these tasks across the cluster are serialized or synchronized. Interaction with Zookeeper occurs via Java or C interfaces. Zookeeper maintains status, configuration, and synchronization information in memory on Zookeeper servers. A Zookeeper server is a machine that keeps a copy of the state of the entire system and persists this information in local log files. A very large Hadoop cluster can be supported by multiple Zookeeper servers. In this case, a master server synchronizes the top-level servers. Each client machine communicates with one of the Zookeeper servers to retrieve and update its synchronization information. Within Zookeeper, an application can create what is called a Z node, a file that persists in memory on the Zookeeper servers. The Z node can be updated by any node in the cluster, and any node in the cluster can register to be informed of changes to that Z node. In Zookeeper terminology, a server can be set up to watch a specific Z node. There's obviously more to this that we can cover in 3 minutes, but basically, applications use this Z node infrastructure to synchronize tasks across the cluster by updating their status in a Zookeeper Z node, which would then inform the rest of the cluster of a specific node's status change. This cluster-wide status centralization service is essential for managing and serializing tasks across a large distributed set of servers.